Hi, my name is Farzi Laghaei. I am the owner of Sweet Lemon Moving Services, and we do commercial, residential moves in the state of California. We've been doing this for 15 years. We have all trained movers and drivers to help you move safely. We also do full packing service and commercial moves as well as residential. 95% of our jobs are residential moves. It's about 5 to 10% are commercial office moves in the Bay Area and throughout the state of California. As I mentioned, I've been doing this for 15 years. We do not hire day labor, and every movers will be trained for about 30 to 60 days before we assign them to a team. Most of the clients they're calling us, they're concerned about hidden fees, double drive time, and protection of floors, walls, carpets, hardwood floors. And we have a very transparent fee. Everything is upfront. We'll explain everything. Like our base rate, it's included our fuel charge, materials, equipment. Unfortunately, some of these companies, they would not mention that until the day of the move. We do not charge for flight of stairs or long carry. And again, it's very transparent with no hidden charge or hidden fees. The crew manager and the movers are trained. We have power tools to disassemble and assemble anything that we move. It's usually the bed, but maybe some of the bigger items need to be disassembled. We will take anything off the wall, but because of our insurance policy, we cannot put anything back. But they do have power tools, and they're very, very good handyman to take things done and put it back together. Our company is a professional moving services. We would be very happy to help you with your move. Please give us a call and we'll be happy to answer any questions you have regarding your move, the dates. If you also need packing services, we'll be happy to help you as well.